This is the perfect rambler, rethinking real estate's newest listing in Grouse Pointe Federal Way on a cul-de-sac. Come and check it out. We've got 2,130 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a formal dining room, formal living room, a family room, and a kitchen with eating space. Don't forget about the new carpeting and beautiful Trex deck. Come and check it out. You're going to love it. The entryway of this home welcomes you with sophistication and style, featuring real hardwood floor. The formal dining room with its tray ceiling, recessed lighting. This inviting open-concept living space features a warm brick fireplace, dual built-ins, and seamless flow into a beautifully updated kitchen. Welcome to the heart of the home. This bright, inviting kitchen blends functionality and style. Full-size washer and dryer are included. This versatile bedroom would make a perfect playroom, guest space, or home office. This bright and cheerful full bath features a sleek white vanity and modern lighting. The primary suite features vaulted ceilings, abundant natural light, and direct access to the backyard deck. The primary bathroom offers a bright spa-like feel with dual sink vanity, abundant counter space, soaking tub. Step onto the expansive deck that serves as the perfect outdoor retreat for entertaining or relaxing. Get all the details at placeforyou.com or call us at 253-987-6789.